If you've been scrolling through your feed, you've probably noticed those eye-catching posts saying things like, "Vote for us," or "Help us win $20,000 and get featured in Variety magazine." And they seem to be everywhere, from polished Instagram reels and heartfelt Facebook posts to Reddit threads and even random WhatsApp broadcasts. They all link back to something called America's Favorite Couple, run on americasfavcouple.org, which claims to be a national contest offering couples the chance to win a $20,000 cash prize, land a feature in Variety magazine, and gain the bragging rights of being crowned America's favorite. Adding to the glamour, the contest advertises itself as being hosted by actor Jeff Goldblum and his wife, Emily, and says it's tied to real charities like the LA Food Bank and Oceana. On the surface, it sounds wholesome and exciting, but here's where things get interesting. When you dig into how the contest actually works, you find that voting is free at first, but there's a paid voting system disguised as charity donations, which raises questions about where the money is really going. While some of the charity partners appear legitimate, the level of involvement and transparency isn't always as clear as the marketing makes it seem. And those celebrity connections? They look impressive, but it's worth asking if their role is more promotional than hands-on. The site is slick and the prizes are tempting, but there's a mix of red flags and green lights that makes it neither an obvious scam nor a clear-cut feel-good event. In this video, we break down what's legit, what's questionable, and what you should know before you hand over your vote or your money.